In this video we will learn that what is the difference between HTML and CSS. Differences. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages and web application. CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of documents written in a markup language like HTML. HTML consists of tags surrounding content. CSS consists of selectors succeeded by a declaration block. CSS can be used in HTML files. HTML cannot be used in CSS files. HTML used to build the structure of the web page. CSS used to make the web page more presentable.